Hello, HL students. I'm homesick today and just wanted to clarify a few things for you, and then you're going to have some time to work. So, last class we were working on our differentiation rules and trying to give proofs of why they worked and then practicing them. Please check out the videos that I posted last week if anything was hard. The things we didn't get to last week were the product rule, where if you have the product of two functions and you take the derivative of that, you can write that as f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. And similarly, the quotient rule, um, which you can then write as f prime of x g of x minus f of x g prime of x over g squared of x. I don't really have the energy right now to write out a detailed proof of those, but it's very similar to the proofs I was doing last class. You just have your limit definition, you move a few pieces around, and then it pops out the way you want it to. Last week, somebody asked about proving the quotient rule by writing our quotient as f of x times g of x raised to the negative 1, and then using the product rule and the chain rule. Totally a good way to do it, just because after you've proved the chain rule, then you can use it for future proofs. So it's one of those things that's sometimes it's hard to know what you're allowed to use on a proof or not. Feel free to always ask me for clarification about like what tools are we allowed to assume at any given time in the course. Um, I thought that was a great question. So you're going to finish up with some of the differentiation rules problems. That's what's on the unit planner. And then you'll move on to what the derivative tells you and how you can interpret graphs of derivatives and things like that. I've got a Desmos activity I want you to try first. The basic idea is you're looking at curves and you're trying to predict what the derivative looks like at different points along the original function. And then there's some problems in the book. Because I'm not there, I really need you to monitor how far you're able to get so that I can adjust the unit planner accordingly. Please ask questions. If there's stuff in the problem set that you didn't understand, I'll make videos when I'm feeling a little better. But really, the most important thing is that when I see you all next, which would be on Thursday because we have the PSAT on Wednesday. So when I see you on Thursday, I need to get a sense of how far you were and if we're okay to keep moving with the original plan or if we need to shift things around. So please reach out with any questions or concerns, and thanks, and have a good day.